Okay, this print just finished. I'm still doing a print over here. You can kind of see there. But basically this is a bookmark, and I modified it to suit my needs. So what I did is the STL file is pretty much just like it was, but I hollowed out, I made a cavity up inside the back of the head portion here, so I can add a black disc to the inside so that the eyes and a little bit of the mouth here will be black. And so this finished nice. It's smooth. It's fairly smooth. It is a silk silver PLA, and it turned out pretty good. These are the eyebrows right here. You can kind of feel them here. They're slightly raised right there, raised eyebrows. The eyes are sunk in, and of course when I get this off the bed here, it has a little bit of support inside there because it is a cavity, and that'll be cleaned out, and then a black disc will be printed really thin and be placed in the back of this to make the eyes black, because normally it's hollow, it's see-through through there, but of course I wanted to have a backing. So it turned out pretty good. And let's see if we can see better here. This is the other print. It's over on my other printer there, and it's actually legs for this part of the model. You can see the back there has, or the bottom has a square peg that's going to be placed inside a square hole right here. This is the peg, and it will be placed inside the square hole to orientate it correctly, and so the arms are on either side. And then next, after this is done, I will be printing the head portion. So it's turned out pretty good. I did print this in an upward direction like that, so I didn't have to worry about supports for the arms. So it was printed upward. It printed well, no problems. And the legs are printed just as well, no problems. And it will be sitting on top of its legs there, and the head is next. And there's also a peg. Let me see if I can put this in here. There's a peg for not only the legs, there's a top, and then there's a peg. If I can get it in there. So this is the peg right there that goes into the bottom of the main body right there, and then of course this will be placed on top and glued into place, and then there'll be another peg printed for the head. Just like that. Alright, happy printing.